Covercraft PrecisionFit seat cover patterns are designed using industry-leading 3D scanning technology, which means they're customized to perfectly fit your exact vehicle, year, make, model, and seat configuration. PrecisionFit seat covers are crafted for a contoured, snug fit that closely follows the lines of your seats for the best possible coverage and appearance. They're available in a range of options to customize protection, comfort, and style to your exact needs. Choose from our popular waterproof and foam-backed Endura or Camo Endura, tough and even tougher water-resistant and foam-backed Carhartt and Carhartt Super Ducts, breathable spacer mesh, luxurious-looking and foam-backed Leatherette, or ultra-luxurious and foam-backed genuine leather. All PrecisionFit seat covers are made to order. Using your exact order specifications, our highly skilled North American teams cut, assemble, and hand sew your seat covers, which typically ship within 7 days or less. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a PrecisionFit seat cover for your Ford F350 on a 40-20-40 split bench front seat configuration. Because I'm going into so much detail, this is a pretty long video, so don't feel like you have to watch the whole thing start to finish. Jump around to watch and rewatch the sections that are most important to you. I'm going to walk you through what's in the box. Attachments, headrest cover installation, headrest removal, backrest cover installation, seat bottom cover installation, and console cover installation. While this installation process may differ slightly based on your exact vehicle, the general steps remain the same. But if you ever have any questions, our dedicated customer support team is ready to help on the phone, email, or chat. Now let's get into it. What's in the box? When customizing your order for PrecisionFit seat covers on Covercraft.com, you'll order by row and seat configuration. Each row that you add to your order will come in its own clear plastic zipper bag. This most often will include separate pieces for each backrest, seat bottom, and headrest. Then, depending on your configuration, you may also have pieces for armrests and consoles. Each piece will be labeled with a sticker letting you know its exact placement. Along with the seat covers themselves, you may also get this installation tool. The tool is made of flexible white plastic with a coarse hook Velcro on one side and a soft loop Velcro circle on the other. You can use this tool to help guide the Velcro straps for the seat cover bottoms between your electric seat controls, cushions, and to tuck the seat cover in so you don't have to use your fingers. Now that you know what's in the box, I'm going to explain all the different types of attachments we use when crafting PrecisionFit seat covers. Remember, since PrecisionFit seat covers are custom, yours may not include some of these attachments. The first attachment is the buckle strap. The strap attached to the female side of the buckle is fixed, meaning we sew it in place so it can't be loosened, tightened, or come off. The strap attached to the male side, however, is adjustable, allowing you to pull and tighten it to secure and cinch the seat cover in place. To tighten, simply pull the loose end of the strap on the male side. To loosen, lift the tab on the male buckle to release tension. To fasten, insert the male end into the female end until you hear a click. To unfasten, pinch both sides of the male buckle and pull it free. Velcro straps. Next are Velcro straps. One side of the Velcro strap will be the coarse hook Velcro. The other will be the soft loop Velcro. We cover each side with Velcro from top to bottom to give you the flexibility to tighten your straps as much or as little as you need when installing your covers. To fasten the Velcro straps, simply press the loop and hook side together to release the straps. Just pull them apart. Velcro. Velcro is sewn directly onto many cover panels and is most commonly used on backrests, consoles, headrests, and armrests. For proper installation, pull the seat cover tight to remove slack, align and press the hook and loop sides together until they bond securely. Velcro allows for adjustable tension and easy reattachment when needed. Shock cords are an elastic cord that's looped with a large knot on one end and an S-hook on the other. These cords are fastened through a metal grommet on straps that are sewn directly to your PrecisionFit seat covers. When installing, you pull these shock cords under your seat bottoms and attach the S-hook to the seat frame. The elastic cord is easy to stretch, but strong enough to hold the seat bottom in place without wrinkles. Feel free to shorten the length of the cord by knotting it closer to the S-hook. Elastic bands. Elastic bands are used on cover pieces such as consoles and armrests. They are sewn into each side of the cover piece, so all you need to do is slip it on and the strong elastic does the rest, keeping the cover tightly in place and looking great. Plastic slip holds. Next are plastic slip holds. These are 1-inch pieces of thin white plastic that stick directly into the edges of your covers. When installing your covers, grab the slip hold, pull tight, and slip it under the plastic seat trim. Sponge rod tubes. Sponge rod tubes are flexible but durable foam cylinders that are wrapped in fabric. These cylinders are slid into a hole at the end of the fabric that is stitched into the edge of seat bottoms. They're flexible enough to shove them into tight spaces and move freely in the fabric holes to allow you to adjust the exact positioning after installing them. Sponge pillows. Sponge pillows are similar to sponge rod tubes, but the sponge rod is fully sewn into a fabric pouch on 3 sides, with the 4th side being sewn into the edge of the cover. To install these, you'll simply press them in between your seat cushion and the trim. The durable sponge foam will expand inside the seat cushion and trim, holding it securely in place. Now it's time to install your PrecisionFit seat covers on a 40-20-40 split bench seat. Headrest cover installation. We install PrecisionFit covers from top to bottom, which means we're starting with the headrest covers. First, you can move the seat back either fully forward or fully back to give yourself extra room to work. Then, hold up the headrest cover to compare the shape with that of your headrest. Once you're sure the cover is facing the right way and the seams are aligned, use both your hands to pull the cover all the way onto the headrest. PrecisionFit headrest covers can be very tight, so it may take a few tries and a little patience to get them fully on. Just take it slow, and the material will relax enough for you to slide them on. Then, pull each side of the Velcro on the bottom together tightly and press them together firmly to secure. Lastly, make any final adjustments to the seams where the fabric overlaps to ensure as smooth of a finished look as possible. Once you have all your headrest covers installed, the next step is to remove the headrests completely before installing the backrest covers. Headrest removal. Headrest locks vary from vehicle to vehicle, but are likely one or a combination of these configurations. We often see headrests with a tab configuration on one side and a pinhole or tab configuration on the other. Tab configuration. With tab configurations, one or both sides of your guide sleeves will have an external button that you can simply press with your finger. If there's only one button, just push and hold it down with one hand, and pull the headrest up and out with the other. If each side has a button, just follow the same step on one side, then repeat on the other. Pinhole configuration. For headrest locks with a pinhole configuration, first, locate the small hole at the side of the guide sleeve. Press down just slightly on top of the headrest to remove tension on the post latch. Then, using a small tool like an Allen key or a nail, press it into the hole and pull up the headrest. It should pull all the way off. Slot configuration. Headrest locks with a slot configuration are similar to those with tab configurations. Sometimes the release button on slot configurations stick out enough where you can just use your fingers to press it in and release. But sometimes the button is flush or even recessed. If that's the case for you, just slide in a thin, preferably plastic tool into the slot to release and remove the headrest. Using a plastic tool will help to avoid scratching your trim. Backrest cover installation. Now we're going to install the backrest covers. First, Just make sure you're using the correct covers for the exact placement. Again, the pieces will be labeled on the underside for where each piece goes, but to ensure they're facing the right way, turn the cover so the tags are next to the door. Now that you've got it all lined up, just slide the backrest cover by pulling it down with both hands. Remember, PrecisionFit seat covers are designed to fit your vehicle precisely, though it may be a bit tight and tough to pull on. Just like with the headrest covers, go slow and ease them on gradually. Once on, push the flap with the straps at the bottom between the backrest and the seat bottom cushions so that it's sticking out through the back. This is the easiest when the backrest is fully reclined. From the back, pull the straps tight and feed them under the seat bottom. You'll be attaching these buckle straps on the seat bottom cover in the next step. The very last thing you need to do is tuck the covers under the headrest post guide at the top of the backrest to give it a clean, finished look. Seat bottom installation. Because of variations in electronic seat control placement, trim, seatbelt positioning, and several other factors, seat bottoms are a lot less standard than seat backs. Which exact attachments you will use to install your PrecisionFit seat covers will likely vary from what I'll be showing in this video, but we have standardized the steps for installation. Extend all buckle straps to their maximum length. Ensure you're using the correct seat bottom cover on the side you're installing by looking at the sticker label, then lining up the pattern with the seatbelt buckle receiver. Push the back straps between the seat bottom and backrest the same way you did with the backrest cover. Feed the straps under the seat, directly against the seat bottom above any electronics or motor controls. You need to avoid placing the straps over your electronic seat controls so your seat can move freely. Buckle all the straps together and tighten. Push the side straps on both sides under the seat cushion and connect under the seat. Fasten any remaining sponge rod tubes, sponge rod pillows, or plastic slip holes. Once everything is installed, give your straps one final tighten and you're good to go. Opening lid installation. Console cover installation is very straightforward, similar to slipping on a fitted bedsheet. Look at your cover to ensure it's facing the right direction, then line up the seams. Start by placing the front corners of the cover down and over the console, then slip the cover towards the back and over the console. The elastic or bungee binding will grip around the edges, ensuring a snug fit. If your cover includes a Velcro strap, just pull each side tightly and press them together firmly to secure it underneath the console and lid. Lastly, if your console hinges up and down, test it to ensure it was properly installed. Make any adjustments you feel necessary to ensure all of these pieces move and connect freely. Non-opening installation. If you don't have an opening console, just slide the top and bottom covers on. Attach the Velcro tabs on the bottom cover to the carpet and attach the Velcro straps together at the back of the top section. Installing the seat bottom cover for the center seat. For the seat bottom on the 20-section jump seat, follow similar steps as the console. If your seat bottom has a lid, open it. Slide the cover on front to back, then secure all attachments. Some covers simply attach directly to the seat bottom with Velcro straps. Just pull tight and press the strap firmly onto the underside of the lid to secure. Yours may use a different attachment type, such as buckle straps. Just follow the attachment guide to secure the two sides together tightly. Reinserting the headrest. Once the backrest covers are on, you can reinsert your headrests. Simply align the headrest posts with the holes, making sure the correct side of the headrest is facing forward and pushed down. The headrest should slide right in and lock, then you can adjust the headrest height as normal. That's it. That's how you install a Covercraft PrecisionFit seat cover for your Ford F350 on a 40-20-40 split bench front seat configuration. We've also included installation instruction videos for other seat configurations directly below this video. I know I've already said it a ton, but because these seat covers are so custom, how you install these seat covers on your vehicle will likely be different than what I just did. So if you have any issues, questions, or feedback, we definitely want to hear from you. Our knowledgeable and dedicated customer support team is here for you on the phone, email, or chat. Covercraft, protecting the things that move you since 1965.